All right, example 2. Your current job as a wedding planner pays a monthly gross salary of $2,560. You are offered a new position as an event planner at a children's museum that pays $12.60 per hour, with time and a half per hour for all hours over $40 per week. How many hours of overtime per week would you need to work to earn that same amount as your current job? There's a lot of math going on here, okay? Let's take a look. I'm currently getting a monthly salary of $25.60. Okay? And at this other job, I'm going to get paid $12.60 per hour with time and a half for all hours over 40 per week. How much overtime per week would you need to make the same amount? Okay. Well, first off, let's find out what we get paid a week. And no, I cannot do just a division of 4. And I have to do a couple of steps here. I currently get paid $2,560. And I get paid on a weekly basis. On a monthly basis. So to find my annual salary, I need to remember we would do annual salary divided by 12 because there are 12 months in a year. But I need to work backwards. So what was my annual salary to start with? So I'm going to do 2,560 times 12. My annual salary is going to give me $30,720. But remember, at the Children's Museum, we're getting paid weekly. So now I'm going to take my annual salary. To find weekly, we would do annual salary, which is $37.20, and divide by, remember their weekly is 52 times a year. So we divide by 52. That means I get paid $590 and about 77 cents a week. Okay. Well, at the Children's Museum, we're going to get paid $12.60 per hour with time and a half for all hours over 40, right? So I'm going to get paid $12.60 just for my regular 40 hours. So now I'm going to go back to those ones that we used last week. Straight time pay as hourly rate times hours worked. So straight time pay equals 40 hours times $12.60. $40 hours times 12.60. We get paid $504 just flat. Okay. Well, then I get paid overtime, right? Now, remember that overtime is at time and a half. So we've got 590.77 equals 504 plus my overtime pay. So overtime pay must equal, let's do 590.77 minus 504. So I need to get paid $86.77 for overtime. Now remember, overtime pay, we've got this formula of hourly rate times your type of overtime times your overtime hours. So we've got 86.77 equals $12.60 times 1.5 times the number of hours which I'm looking for. So we're going to do 86.77 divided by 12.60, and then we're going to divide that by 1.5. So we need to work approximately 4.6 hours of overtime to get the amount of hours that I need to work to earn the same amount of money for the week. 4.6 hours of overtime every week in order to make the same amount of money I'm making now. Lots of math to do all that backtracking. I want you to take about 7 minutes to work through try these on your own here. 7 minutes to work through question number 3. Go ahead and pause your videos now. As you can see, the answer has been provided for you. On to the wrap-up of this lesson and your vocab check.